welcome back to our channel, Little Hands by Vaishvik and Srinithi. Today we are going to do 2 science experiments with lemons. Let's get started with this science video. We are using 2 glasses of normal water. My sister is going to put her lemon. Let's see what happens. Oh, the lemon sank. It's because of density. So the lemon's density is more than the water. That's why it sank. Now it's my turn. I'm going to add salt. We're using salt because it will make the density of the water more than the density of the lemon. If you mix it well, the density of the water will actually become more. Done. Now let's put the lemon. See, the lemon is floating. It's because of the density of the water is higher than the density of the lemon. See the difference?
Sink, not sink. Sink,
Sink,
not sink.
and flow. Ta-da! This is one of the experiments. Now we're doing a lemon volcano experiment. Done.
Wow!
Done. We need a big size lemon, some baking soda, some food coloring, and a container to hold the lemon volcano lava. So we already closed up this volcano. So now we're going to sprinkle some food coloring. Now we're going to add some baking soda. You need to add 1 or 2 spoons. 2 spoons. Now, wow! Now we're going to bind it just like this. Wow! This is so awesome! Awesome! Look, the lava's flowing down.
Ooh. Like, there's orange lava coming down.
It just... I'm going to squeeze it so there's more lava coming out. Wow!
It's so cool. It looks like lava. Orange lava coming down.
Wow! Now there's our volcano experiment. Whoa! Wow! This is so cool. See? If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next